Hi Chewies, here's Alexandra, and today we will have a look what is in this box here. This is the box Chaos Space Marines, and now let's look what's inside. First, the bases, then your manual, how to create your Chaos Space Marines. There you can see the building examples and construction abilities on your Marines. So then in this box comes the transfer sheet, the Chaos, and strangely there comes in this box two. I don't know if this is a production failure or well, in this box were two of them. So now we come to the sprues. There are basically three different sprues. The first two I'll show you are twice. So what do we have here? Two bolters, knives, two shoulder pad options. Here are the other sides. So here are two back parts of a torso. I will stop until the truck is away. And we are back. So here we have arm options to hold a bolter. Here we have chainsword and bolt pistol. Another arm pair. Here's a holster for a bolt pistol. Some baggage stuff here. Two backpacks. Again two knives and two bolters, and again here two shoulder pad options. And here I guess that's also back parts. Well, actually this whole sprue is twice the same. This side and this side is the same. Here we have the legs, also here. So this sprue comes two times. So up to the next sprue, this here. There we have three different head options. Let's flip it over. Here we have six different shoulder pads. Again a bolter, bolt pistol. Again three head options. Another head is here. Arm for a bolter. Feet. Another backpack. Chainsword. Another chainsword. Another 2 feet, chainsword, some trophies, again two heads, and here are the front parts of the Space Marines itself. Here are two bolt pistols, another holster for a bolt pistol, and a little chaos symbol, and that's basically the sprue again. And this sprue, as I said before, comes also two times. And now we came to the command sprue, I will call it so. Here we have an option for two plasma pistols, a melter, a plasma gun. Here's a trophy rack for Nurgle, for the standard bearer. Here's the backpack option for the Inspiring Champion. Here we have a power fist with a finger pointing. Here's the arm for the banner. And I guess these two arms are for the heavy bolter. And here we have three other different trophy racks. Slaanesh, Khorne. This is Chaos Undivided. And over here we have one from Tzeentch. So then we have here four different shoulder pads for all the Chaos. There are 5. Here's for Tzeentch, Khorne, Undivided, Nurgle and Slaanesh. And here's the front part for the champion. Here we have again a special weapon, a flamer, some trophies, spikes, and here in Pole Sword, Heavy Bolter, and here are the head options, also different versions for different kinds of miniatures. This here is maybe for a Slaanesh champion. I found this very stylish. Here for more Nurgly. This here looks Tzeentch with the eye here in front. This here is more like Khorne, the Khorne symbol. And this looks more like an Iron Warrior, Chaos Undivided, and also Chaos Undivided helmet. So, and this finished the view of this little Chaos Space Marines brew. And I have something else for you. Something to guess. For what could this parts be? What do we have here? Chain Fist, Terminator body with a head, the trophy racks, several weapons. You can start to guess what this will be. I will not show it to you until this is finished. See you, Alexandra.